Welcome back once again to Shumi's Makeover. Again I have come with a new look. It was yesterday's go-to look, Ashtami Shaj, with a heavy kajal. I'm a Bengali and a little bit loud. Makeover on this day is very obvious. A bindi, heavy kajal and a simple knot makes you perfect for a Bengali look. Using Krylon Dharma Color Orange Corrector under my eyes. This palette is from Makeup Studio. I'm choosing my shade and applying all over my face. This is also full coverage foundation. You can get almost 5 shades, I guess. This concealer I have been using since my last 2 videos. This is Age Rewind concealer. This is again Mars eyebrow palette. Super duper pigmented palette. See how pigmented it is. Now again I'm cleaning, or you can say defining my eyebrows with this Makeup Studio palette. After defining, I'm blending the rest of it over my eyelid. Next I'm using banana powder from Makeup Revolution, sealing the highlighting portion with it. This is Inglot gel eyeliner. This time I'll go heavier with this eyeliner into my lash line. Oh my gosh, super pigmented. Next I'll move to my second eye. I'm just placing the gel kajal like this. After this I'm gonna blend this with these two colors, brown and black. With the help of a pencil brush, I'm smudging it. Applying this mauve pink color with a blending brush to all over my eyelid like this. Spread it all over. Actually it's a very quick eyeshadow or eye makeup you can do in a short time. Blend this well. Next I'm taking this brown shade and placing it at my outer V. To make it more gorgeous. Now I'm applying a shimmery shade again with my finger. This helps your eyes to look bigger. Now I'm retouching the kajal again. This is the contour palette from Makeup Revolution. Now giving a good shape is very necessary for this look to your face. Next I'm going to take a smaller brush to contour my nose. You can work with precision with this brush. Next I'm going to use mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I'm curling my lashes with this spoolie. Makeup Revolution blush palette. Taking those two colors, the pink and the rose petal color, applying it with a big fluffy brush. Next I'm going to set all this with Wet n Wild makeup setting spray. It will give you a dewy finish. This lip liner is from Kiko in shade Raspberry Love. I'm lining my lips first, then I'll fill it thoroughly. Next I'm going to use a lip color from Blue Heaven. This was a dark maroon color, but I just wanted to make it more nude as it is very dark. This lipstick is from Matte Me, a brown nude color. Mixing will always give you a new color. Now I'm done. Now complete this look with a red bindi like this. And this is all for Ashtami's Shaj. Please do let me know about this look into the comment section below. Bye bye.